Now that your marketplace profile is live and clients can discover and book your business online, the next step is understanding how your marketplace is actually performing. Because visibility is important, but knowing the results behind the visibility is what helps you measure growth. With Salonist, you can track your marketplace performance directly from your sales insights, from successful bookings to revenue generated and marketplace commissions. Let's take a look. We'll start from Sales Tools. Inside Sales Tools, you'll find your Marketplace section where you can manage promotions, marketplace activities, and track how your online profile is performing. Now let's head to the Marketplace profile. Inside your Marketplace listing, select Profile. This opens your Marketplace performance dashboard where you can review the activity generated through your Marketplace bookings. Here, you'll find filters that allow you to customize the report view by period, country, or booking type, helping you analyze your marketplace activity in more detail. At the top, you'll see a quick performance summary, starting with total count. This represents the number of successful marketplace bookings. So every confirmed booking completed through the marketplace contributes to this number. Next is total sale. This reflects the overall booking value generated from those marketplace opportunities. For example, if a successful marketplace booking is completed for 200 dirhams, the value will be reflected here. However, completed bookings and collected payments are not always the same thing. Let's look at that. Total paid amount shows the revenue that has actually been collected. Because sometimes a booking may be confirmed successfully, but the client may not complete payment or attend the appointment. So this metric helps you understand the actual amount received. You'll also find total balance amount. This represents the remaining marketplace balance after the marketplace commission is applied. Since the client was acquired through the Salonist marketplace, the platform commission is reflected here. This gives you a clearer picture of your marketplace earnings and generated revenue. Tracking marketplace performance isn't only about numbers. It helps you understand how your online presence is converting into actual bookings, revenue, and business growth. With Salonist Marketplace Insights, you can monitor bookings, review sales activity, and clearly measure the impact of your marketplace visibility, all in one place.